everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, this is CraftShip Wonders. This video is very special because it's festival time. Since we all know that Diwali is known as Festival of Lights, we are going to show you how to make a lampshade at home. So before going to the video, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Let's move into the video.
Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make a lampshade. So this is the model of the lampshade that we are going to make. To make this lampshade, I have taken a pink color chart right here. The color of the chart is your wish. Now I have left 1 cm gap from the bottom of the chart and I have drawn a line here. Considering this line as the base, I have drawn a semicircle around this chart and I divided this semicircle into 6 equal parts. While folding these 6 equal parts, we will be able to get 6 equal faces in the lampshade. So now to diamond cut these hemispheres, I have drawn lines which connects all the parts of the hemisphere together. So guys, now to make the bottom folding of the lampshade, I have drawn another diamond cut line which is parallel to the above line. And now to make the upper folding of the lampshade, I have used the same method that I followed in the upper part. I have drawn a semicircle in this part and I drawn 2 diamond cut lines which connects all the parts of the semicircle. And now I am going to cut this chart along these lines. So guys, now I finished cutting the outer part of the hemisphere and now I am going to cut these lines which is inside the small hemisphere. After cutting the edges, I am going to fold all these parts. This method should be followed in the upper part also. After folding all these parts, I am going to make this such pattern in this area. So guys, now to make this such pattern in this lampshade, I have drawn some patterns in this area. Now I am going to cut this triangular shaped patterns. Remember that we have to cut the inner part of this pattern, that is the shaded region of this pattern. So guys, now I finished making the pattern inside the hemisphere and now we are going to paste this lampshade. So before pasting this lampshade, we have to fold all the 6 parts. After folding all these 6 parts, just apply some glue in this part. And take the other end of the lampshade and paste it together. So guys, I finished pasting the sides of the lampshade and now I am going to paste the top side of the lampshade. To paste the top, I am going to apply some glue in all these pieces and I am going to paste it together. So guys, now I finished pasting the top part and bottom part of the lampshade. I also inserted the light bulb holder inside the lampshade. Now I am going to paint this lampshade with blue color. So guys, now I finished painting this lampshade and it dried very well. Now I am going to cover the 6 faces of this lampshade. To cover this lampshade, I have printed some transparent stickers like this. Now I am going to use these triangular ones to cover this lampshade. So guys, now I am going to paste this transparent stickers in OHP sheet. Why I am doing this means it will give the mirror glaze. Now I am going to paste this in the OHP sheet. After pasting this, I am going to cut it out.
So now I finished cutting all the 6 pieces, and now I am going to paste all these 6 pieces in the lampshade.
So guys, now I am going to paste all these pieces inside the lampshade. I am going to paste at the edges. To paste these pieces, I am going to use double side tape. Now I am going to paste all these pieces by releasing the cello tape. In this method, I am going to paste all the pieces. So guys, now I finished pasting all the faces of the lampshade, and now I am going to do the base. For the base, I have taken a hexagon shaped cardboard and I painted it in blue color. I also made a star pattern in this cardboard. Now I am going to cover this base with transparent sticker. I already pasted this transparent sticker in OHP sheet. Now I am going to paste this in the base. To paste this, I am going to cover this base with double-sided tape. So guys, now I finished doing the base, and now I am going to attach this base with the lampshade. So before pasting this base with lampshade, please ensure that you have already inserted the bulb inside the lampshade. Now I am going to paste this. And now our lampshade is ready.
So guys, we finally finished making our lampshade. This is the final outlook of our lampshade. It is so fun to make. So please try it in your home and celebrate this Diwali with fun. If you like this video, please like, share and also subscribe to our channel. I will catch you in the next video, and happy Diwali to everyone.